A very good morning to dear students. Today we are going to read the new story in a moral science book, that is the Talking Parrots. And this story is based on good and bad company. Good company help you to learn the good things. Bad company makes you learn bad things. Always choose good company. So the story begins now. Two parrots lived on a banyan tree. The female parrot laid two eggs in the nest. After some time, the eggs hatched and two tiny chicks came out. The parent bird named them Piku and Miku. They took good care of them. Every morning, the parent birds flew out to fetch food for the young birds. They returned in the evening with food for their children. A hunter was keeping an eye on these birds. One day, he caught Piku and Miku while their parents were away. The young birds struggled to free themselves. Piku escaped from the hunter, but Miku was caught in a cage. He was taken home by the hunter. The hunter's son was very naughty. He taught Miku bad and foul words. Piku, who had escaped from the hunter, flew for some time. Then he came to a cottage where an old sage lived with his disciples. Miku stayed there. Every day, Piku listened to the talks of the sage, which he shared with his disciples. Piku also learned to say a few words. Now, what are disciples? Disciples means followers of a teacher, that is disciples. One day, a traveler was walking near the hunter's hut. He was tired and thirsty. He heard the parrot speak a few words. He told him, "Can you please ask your master to give me a glass of water?" Miku quickly replied, "Fool, why have you come here? I will cut your throat." The traveler was very sorry to hear these words. He left the place immediately. He walked for some time and reached the cottage of the sage. Seeing the tired traveler, Piku called out, "Welcome, sir. Welcome to the house of the sage. You look tired. Drink water from the pot and eat fruits growing in the backyard. The holy man will treat you well." The traveler was surprised. He said to Piku, "I met a young parrot near the hunter's hut. It spoke badly. You speak well. Both you and the other bird are parrots. Then why this difference in your language?" Hearing this, Piku understood that the other parrots was none of other than his brother Miku. Piku said, "Sir, the other parrot is my brother, but we have lived in two different places. My brother has learned the hunter's language, and I have learned the language of the holy people. It is our company that shapes the words and deeds. So always you have to prefer the good company." Thank you.